Hello, David.
Hi, Didac.
Where is Isa, David?
I'm here, Didac. Where are you looking?
But what? But you? How long have you been there?
Didac, have you never seen Dragon Ball before? This is called instant transmission. It's sad that you don't know it.
Loser.
Shut up, both of you! Stop messing around.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, we need to talk about the reflections of the project-based learning implementation in our classes. Who wants to start?
Me, please, me, choose me,
You
please.
need to make a brief summary.
Good.
Okay, Isa, can you act like an adult?
Using English to
Isa,
learn.
don't look at me. Look at the camera. Jesus.
Okay. Hi. Using English to learn is the best way to learn things and of course to use English. We kill two birds with one stone. It is a great way to make the most of our students' time and make learning real. We can use different languages and use them to learn new things. And what is more important, the students learn to learn in a real context and they are a lot more motivated.
David, now it's your turn.
My experience this year was so good. It's true that implementing PBL in class was so difficult because you need to prepare lots of material and scaffold to adapt to various levels of English that you have in class. But the results started all. It's very gratifying to see when the students enjoy the activities that you design, when they solve all the problems and everything culminates in a successful project.
I agree with you both. It's so good to see how the students learn by actively engaging in a real world and personally meaningful projects for them. So, very well. As we finished explaining our experiences, say goodbye.
Say goodbye!
Oh my gosh. Bye everyone, and thank you for watching us.